So the Milwaukee M18 combo toolkit comes in a nice compact box. Inside the box is the red tool bag, sturdy and firm. Inside the bag you can find the warranty manuals. Comes with the battery charger for M12 or M18. You can charge the batteries included with that charger. The bag comes with two 1.5 amp batteries. It's a red lithium ion battery, and here comes the 1/2 inch drill driver. It feels so sturdy in hand, top heavy, but I guess once I put in the battery it would be perfect. And the last item in the bag is the 1/4 inch Hex Impact Driver. That's one of the reason that I bought this kit, because I had a different driver, but I wanted the Hex Impact Driver. And the M18 lithium battery is very nice and big, and it charges in just 30 minutes. So when you first plug it in, you can see the red light on the charger, and once it is charged on the battery itself, it shows the status of the battery, and once it is fully charged, the green light comes on the charger itself. So that's all in the pack. In the box, as I showed you, it comes with the drill driver and the impact driver with the two batteries and the charger. So if you like this video, give me a like and consider subscribing for more videos like this. See you in the next one. Bye.